Chapter 1. Preparing the Track for Your Train. Metaphysical Laws. Basic metaphysical laws are universal. These basic principles apply to all things, as everything is vibration, and vibration responds according to universal principles. Thoughts are things, vibrational things, and every thought, vibration, produces a certain effect upon the mind and body. As is the cause, so is the effect. We can produce any effect desired upon mind or body by thinking the necessary thought. Compare your thoughts to guitar strings. When certain guitar strings are plucked, a certain sound, vibration, is heard. Your thoughts have a vibration that resonate outside your brain and affect matter around it, such as your body. In the process of thought creation, there are three factors involved: the pattern, the mental substance, and the creative energy. The pattern is always the deepest impression, the clearest image, as the predominating idea. The quality of the mental substance improves with the quality of the mind, and the quantity increases with the expansion of consciousness. The creative energies grow, the less energy we waste, and the more we awaken the great powers from within. When an idea or image is impressed upon the mind, the mental energies will proceed at once to create thought just like that image. As the mental pictures are, so is thought. As thought is, so is character. Any physical malady must eventually disappear if we continue to hold in mind the picture of perfect health and wholeness. Mental and spiritual attainments respond remarkably to mind picturing, principally because all true mind picturing draws consciousness into the higher world. If there is any talent that you wish to develop, or any spiritual height that you wish to reach, draw a picture upon your mind of yourself in full possession of this talent, or as living in the high state you wish to reach. This method alone will accomplish much. Think only of your higher self, and you will never do anything to be ashamed of. When your mind is filled with pictures of lofty ideas, you will think lofty thoughts, and such thoughts cannot fail to give quality, power, and worth to your talents. Tendencies, desires, and motives originate wholly from mental pictures. To hold a mental picture in mind, keep the essentials of that picture before consciousness. That is, be conscious of the real nature of the qualities. Picture a perfect body, an able mind, a strong character, and a beautiful soul. Add to that an ideal inner life and an ideal external environment. Keep these pictures before mind constantly, and you will find all things in life daily changing to become more and more like these pictures. Now, exercise number 1, connecting mind with body. For all the exercises throughout these chapters, do not use a lotus position. Instead, relax with your hands in your lap and your feet on the floor, connecting mind with body. Place yourself in a comfortable position and breathe deeply from the belly for 3 minutes, concentrating on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Draw a deep breath, release. Use belly breathing and release. After steady breathing to a point of deep relaxation, concentrate on the tip of your head. What does the tip of your head feel like? Then concentrate on the center of your head. What does the center of your head feel like? Next, concentrate on your jaw. Can you feel any sensation in your jaw? Concentrate on your neck and focus on relaxation in your neck. If there's any discomfort, breathe deeply until the discomfort leaves. Focus on your upper spine and shoulders. Can you feel any sensation in that area? Breathe deeply to feel the area and relax it. Focus on your upper chest. Can you feel any sensation in that area? Breathe deeply to feel the area and relax. Focus on your lower spine and back area. Can you feel any sensation in that area? Breathe deeply to feel the area and relax it. Concentrate on your legs from hips to thighs, noticing any sensation. Then relax your legs with deep breathing. Focus on your feet. Can you feel any sensation in them? Relax your feet by using your mind and your breathing. Scan your body with your mind. Is there any area that needs relaxation? Focus on that area. Visualize white light surrounding your feet and healing every cell in your feet. With the same white light, visualize your legs, your hips, your spine, your neck, and your head. Move the healing white light all the way up your body to the tip of your head, visualizing healthy body all the way. Continue deep breathing for another minute and then open your eyes and resume your day. This exercise should be repeated daily to help you recognize the sensations in your body. Healing symptoms quickly with your mind and deep breathing is one of the most efficient ways of preventing serious illness. We have just finished the exercise and are now returning to the text of the book. Perpetual development of yourself will produce perpetual increases of all good things required in your life. That is a universal principle. By training all mental actions to constantly move towards the within, we perpetually increase the capacity, the power, and the quality of the mind. When all the actions of mind move towards the great within, consciousness will be turned within, and the eye of the mind will concentrate upon the world of greater possibilities found within the realm of the infinite. The conception of things will constantly increase, because attention is concerned only with that which is in alignment with the infinite. The mental images will be formed in the likeness of lofty thoughts, and the creative energies will perpetually recreate mind upon a larger and more perfect scale. No matter how perfect the method may be, if the thoughts move toward the mundane world while you exercise, no results will be gained. On the other hand, while the mental actions move towards the within, results will positively be gained. Turn your attention upon the inner and the larger phases of life, and your mind will begin to turn its actions upon the within. Mental tendencies will move towards lofty ideals, and you will constantly rise in the scale. Train mind to look always within, and view the higher state that you before long shall reach. All the tendencies of life should move towards the higher and larger, and every thought should have an ascending spirit. Therefore, to enable everyone to live a complete life, a life really worth living, some way must be found that will lead us out of the control of environments. The law is this: Anything in the mundane world that is permitted to impress its likeness upon your mind will influence from environments. We must refuse to receive impressions from without that we do not desire. It is natural for mind to receive impressions from the outer world, and what is more, it is necessary. That's what senses are for. But it is not natural to absorb through the senses everything that they come in contact with. Character has two functions. The one selects the right, the other holds mind in the right. When character is absent or is completely negative, or character is practically inactive, it is not possible for mind to either select the right or hold to the right. Such a mind will absorb nearly everything that the environment may contain. Every mind should be able to be under control of the individual, no matter what happens or fails to happen, and every person should be jury of their own thoughts, regardless of anyone else's opinion on the subject. Second exercise. Exercise number 2, to impress the subconscious. Place yourself in a comfortable position and breathe deeply and quietly for about 3 minutes, holding the entire system in perfect poise. Then turn attention upon the subconscious mind, realizing that this mind fills and permeates every part of your creative being. Hold attention from the subconscious for several minutes, continuing deep, quiet, poised breathing, and desire with deep soul feeling to impress upon the subconscious all energy and power of the system. This is trying to cause all the energy of your system to flow into the subconscious. While you are trying to do this, try to grasp consciously the largest volume of power possible, realizing that unlimited power exists within you. Continue to exercise for about 10 or 15 minutes. By taking this exercise daily, a healthful, steady growth in power, capacity, and ability will be the result.